It's gonna be a very, very productive day. I really need to figure out my paper planner life, you know?
The spicy meatball.
Even more new products to our website. My new morning routine I'm trying to get into is Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Today is September 20th, and it's going to be a very, very productive day. I have several orders that came in over the weekend, so I just finished printing stuff for that. I'm going to start cutting them on my cutting machine or machines. And I also have a vlog that I need to work on. So yeah, I have all of that, and then let me look at my Notion. I've actually been so productive already this morning. Like, my new morning routine I'm trying to get into is just, I'm really liking it. On today's to-do list, we have orders. I need to edit vlog, do the thumbnail, upload the vlog, film some IG content / TikTok / YouTube shorts for my sticker YouTube channel, and then like my sticker shop stuff. So just kind of like a plan with me. I've been trying to do like shorter, like daily plan with me's to have consistent content go up on those platforms. And then I also have to finish designing new releases since I didn't get them up last week because I just had some family stuff, and we ended up going, well, we were already going to go to Tennessee because my dog was there, so we had to pick her up. But we actually went just one day early, I think. Just because of some family stuff. So it's just been an exhausting last couple of days. But that's why I didn't get the new releases up last week, because I ended up leaving on Wednesday instead of Thursday night. So yeah, that's everything on my Notion. So I have really been loving Notion, and I feel like it makes me like way more organized, but I definitely need to get back into a paper planner. I've been using the A5 Daily Duo, which was fine, but I really need to figure out my paper planner life, you know? So anyway, I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna cut orders while also editing a vlog on my laptop. I've got my nice warm cup of coffee. I was just feeling a hot cup of coffee today instead of my iced coffee. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's cut some stickers. Okay guys, it is 12:50. We have had lunch. I just finished editing today's video, so I have to do the thumbnail and I have to upload it and schedule it to go live at 5 because that's what time my analytics say is like the best time to upload on Mondays. So we are going to test it out and see if that even makes a difference on anything. So anyway, I'm really excited. I really loved this vlog. Like, I just feel like I had so much fun filming it, and I just feel like it's different. Like, the energy is different. So that's really exciting. I'm excited to upload this one. I'm almost done with cutting all the orders, and then I just have to package them up. And then what else do I have on my to-do list. Once I do all that, I need to film some content for my Instagram, Reels, TikTok, all of that stuff. And then the only other thing that I have on my list is to design some new releases. I need to sit down and actually figure out like what all I want to release this week, because I know I have like the gingerbread kit that my sister sent me, and I think it's almost done, I think. And then I think I might just release stuff that's already designed. Like I know I have a Christmas kit that is designed already, and then I can always bring like reformat some stuff, and I think I might do that. And then the next release have like newer items, like, because obviously I'll have new items for this release too. But also, while I'm thinking about it, I know I get so rambly in these vlogs, but I ordered a bunch of like new washi, some notepads, notebooks, and they should be arriving sometime this week, so I'm definitely going to be vlogging it. I am so excited. I'm so excited about adding even more new products to our website. These will only be on our website. It will not be on Etsy. If you guys are interested in that sort of stuff, definitely check the links below to go to my website and check it out. But yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff this week, and I'm so excited because it's been a while. I think the last time I purchased washi to put up on my website was back in June. And it was like a very small release. So this one, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So anyway, I want to share that with you guys. Obviously, I'll vlog when it comes in, and I'll show you guys everything. There's like a bug flying around my head right now. All right, I'm going to get this video up. I'm going to finish cutting the stickers, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Finished all the orders. I don't know why, but I seriously I think underestimate like how long it's gonna take me to get all the orders done, like including packaging them up. I'm just like, dang, that takes forever. So it is currently 3 o'clock, and I need to design, but I also need to do my Instagram reel stuff, and I need to find a kit that I want to use for my planner this week, and I think I'm just gonna try to film all of them at once, that way like a batch do it. I don't know. Anyway, and I also need to design new releases. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work for the next hour and a half on new releases and get whatever I can done, and then at 4:30, well, I don't know, because I don't know what time James gets off. Dang it. Okay. I think I'm going to work for the next hour. I'm going to design stuff. And then I am going to do my Instagram reel stuff and just do one day. I think that makes the most sense and is the best use of my time right now. So yeah, for whatever reason, things took longer to do today than I was expecting. Like, my video took forever. Cutting the stickers I don't feel like cutting the stickers really took forever. It was the printing that was the problem today. My Silhouette program on my computer was not wanting to cooperate. So that kind of threw me off a little bit, but I am going to just sit here and design for the next hour, see what I can get done, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, it is a while later. I ended up getting the gingerbread kit done. It's completely designed. I just have to print and cut it and take photos and whatever. And then I also did my IG reel, TikTok, and YouTube short. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about when I say YouTube short, if you check out my other YouTube channel, Sticky Situations, I've been doing lots of like little YouTube shorts, just kind of quickly showing, planning out my day. So I was able to get that done. I got everything on my list checked off today, and we just went to the grocery store and picked up a few things for dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So the world's smallest, maybe not smallest grocery haul, but it is a pretty small grocery haul. So for dinner tonight, we needed to pick up some ground beef, some pasta sauce. This one is our favorite. It's the roasted garlic by Primal Kitchen. It is so good. Mushrooms, and then we got like 1 zucchini for this, and then 2 for like tomorrow's dinner, and we got a couple yellow squashes for tomorrow's dinner, and then we picked up more ground beef and some of this Siete taco seasoning. This is the spicy one. This stuff is so good. Like, honestly, I just love this stuff. I love this. The regular one's also pretty good, but the spicy, man, that's where it's at. Then we also have some red potatoes for breakfast.
The spicy meatball.
Yeah. And then we didn't get this at the store today. Don't mind the mess that we just made. We actually got this from Whole Foods because they don't have this at our local grocery store. But this is like the paleo pasta that we use, and it's actually pretty good. I also found one that's made with almond flour, so I put it in my Whole Foods cart to try out that one also, just to kind of compare and see which ones we like. But for now, we've been loving this one. So anyway, I have everything warming up, getting ready to go so we can make pasta. Need to clean that up. We also got an unsweet, James got me an unsweet tea from McDonald's, and he got a Coke, and we've got cleaning stuff all over the place. It's just a real good time. Apparently he's making himself some garlic knots, which I will not be having, but I hope he enjoys them. So yeah, that's where we are at. Just getting ready to cook some dinner. I'm starving. I'm so excited. I've been loving spaghetti lately. I mean, I have always loved spaghetti, but now that I've found some that don't, like, it just doesn't make me feel sick, I love this meal. Like, it's probably my favorite. That and tacos. I have a new love for tacos. I've always hated Mexican food because my grandparents owned a Mexican restaurant and we had Mexican all the time, and I just got like sick of it. But since trying out this taco seasoning, we tried it out at the beach because we made tacos for everyone. I'm obsessed. I'm just like, it is so good. So, all right, I'm gonna stop babbling and get my stuff together. Dinner is done. Can we guess which one's mine and which one's James? Other than the fact that he put like a ton of stuff on top of it, he also has the bread. I don't have that. Whoa, another one just appeared. That's crazy. Caught red-handed. All right, we're gonna go enjoy this delicious meal, and then I'll pop back on when, I don't know, we're doing something interesting. Go on a walk? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? You wanna go on a walk with me? Ready? Okay, we just got back from a little evening stroll to take Dixie on a walk and just be outside and enjoy the last little bit of summer. Like, where did summer even go? Where did 2021 go is the real question. So now it is 7 basically 7:20, let's be real. And I have no idea what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. We had dinner, we watched an episode of Psych, and then just like sat on the couch for 10 minutes before I decided I should go clean up dinner. So I cleaned up the kitchen, and then we took Dixie on a walk, and now we're back home. I don't really know what I want to do. I got all of my work, I mean there's always work to be done, but I got all of the stuff that had to be done today. So that's good. I think James has been working on his, should I tell them what you're working on?
If you want to.
Or is it like top secret?
No, you can tell them if you want.
He's been working on a video game, like actually making a video game, which is really cool. So he's been working on that. I'm probably just gonna chill and watch YouTube videos because I actually did not really do that today. Normally I will do that while working, but today I was just like laser focused. I had a big long list of goals, things I wanted to accomplish today, and I was just really focused on that. So I think I'm just gonna chill and watch some YouTube videos for a little bit. All right guys, so to catch you up on the night, I sat and watched some YouTube stuff, planned out my new releases, did a few other little like work related things. Then I took a bath and I started reading the book, the seven Habits of Highly Successful People, I think is what it's called. And I started reading that tonight, so I'm excited about that. I've been wanting to read it for a long time, but I'm terrible at making time to read. So that's one of my goals, is to just put my phone down at night when I'm trying to relax and read a book. So that's what I did. Now it is time to go to bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Leave something in the comments just telling me how your day is or was, or something that you're grateful for or excited about in life. And if you want to share your positive thought in the comments below, I would love that, because we need more positivity, more love, just, you know. So leave it in the comments. I will definitely respond to it. And that is going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.